In a world where nearly 1/3 of the global population is categorized as overweight or obese, finding effective strategies for weight management is more crucial than ever. But fear not, Mother Nature offers an arsenal of tools to combat this issue, notably through some of the most common items found in your vegetable drawer. First on our list is spinach. This leafy green is not only low in calories but also packed with fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full longer. Fiber aids in slowing down digestion and stabilizing blood sugar levels, preventing those all-too-common hunger pangs. Next, consider the humble broccoli. Rich in fiber and protein, broccoli helps in weight loss by creating a feeling of fullness. It's also loaded with vitamins C and K, and believe it or not, contains more protein than most other vegetables, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Carrots are another excellent choice. Low in calories and high in fiber, carrots are famously associated with improved eye health, but are equally effective for weight loss. Their high fiber content ensures that you feel satiated, reducing the urge to overeat. Don't overlook the mighty cucumber. Made up of about 95% water, cucumbers are great for hydration and can help flush out toxins from the body. They are incredibly low in calories, making them a perfect snack for weight loss. Celery also makes its way onto our list. It is another vegetable that is primarily made up of water, making it exceptionally low in calories. Furthermore, it requires more calories to digest than it provides, making it a so-called negative calorie food. Bell peppers, with their sweet, robust flavor and crisp texture, are not only a great way to add excitement to your meals, but are also incredibly beneficial for weight loss. They're low in calories and high in fiber, which, as we've seen, is a winning combination for managing hunger. Lastly, let's talk about kale. This superfood packs a hefty nutritional punch with very few calories. High in fiber and water content, it's ideal for anyone looking to lose weight. Kale is also rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, contributing to overall health and well-being. In summary, incorporating vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, carrots, cucumbers, celery, bell peppers and kale into your diet can significantly aid in weight loss. These vegetables are not only low in calories and high in fiber, but also offer a multitude of other health benefits that support overall well-being. By making them a staple in your diet, you not only move towards a healthier weight, but also enhance your overall health. So next time you're at the market, remember to stock up on these nutritious powerhouses.